Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate a section on Asana website. So first of all, and of course you would like just to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser. Then all you need to do after opening your browser, just go to the URL and type asana.com and hit the enter button. So of course when you do that, that will actually be your home or your main screen right here. So before starting using the application or the website, sorry, you would like to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you don't panic or anything, you can just go and create one. You can even create it with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So as we said, when you log into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And if you want to duplicate a section, all you need to do, let's say for example, let's say as an example, yeah, let's just create a project here. Click project, click add blank, and name it like this here. And then of course you can choose whatever you want from here. Just choose it if you want. For me, I'm just going to click continue, go to project, and let's just wait until it correctly loads. So this will actually be our project, and let's create a task as well. So I'll name it test as well, and let's say as an example I want to duplicate this task. So you can just go here to this task and right click on it, and as you can see we will have the option of duplicate tasks. So this you can actually include all of this if you want to include them all. Read them carefully and like check whatever you want to be included and click at create a new task. Of course you can even change the name of it, just like test like 99 anyway, then click as create new task. So of course that will take a while, and as you can see it's created, it duplicated right here. Of course you can even duplicate the projects if you want. Just go and go to any projects. Let's say as an example this test, click at the three dots right here and you will have this option of duplicate a project. Of course you will find this again, and you can even include whatever you want. Then go here and change the name. For me, I'm just going to do this and click as create. This will take a while again, and as you can see you will find this right here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.